we have come up with a unique value proposition for the consumer, which is mosquito away technology. Basically, if you see, this is a device which emits ultrasound wave. These ultrasound waves, what it does, mosquitoes, they have those sensory cells which enables them to sense the carbon dioxide emitted from the human or the heat emitted from the human, which is disabled with the ultrasound wave which is generated by this device. So once this device is activated, it deactivates their sensory cells, which makes them disabled and they are not able to bite a human being. Plus, this operation is independent of operation of a split air conditioner. So even if I don't want to run an air conditioner, I can still use this technology.
Mosquito repellent technology.
Yes. I can just show you the remote. So this is the special button which is given on this remote. So even if you don't want to run your AC, but still you want to use this, you can just switch it on.
How much electricity it would consume for mosquito repellent?
See, it usually it will be less than a watt. This particular
Less than a watt.
Yeah, but since there is louver gets opened, so that the waves does not reflect back. So even the fan runs at a very super low speed. So probably it will consume around maybe 18 or 19 watt of electricity.
That would be nearly negligible.
Yeah, almost negligible.